This is an Advisor Analyst tutorial on the use of the match function within the expression builder. In this video, you'll learn how to find the rows in your data that contains a specific pattern. You'll also learn how to use the match function to group categorical data. Throughout this video, we will be working with the customer's demo that ships with the software. Let's get started by opening the expression builder. To open the expression builder, click on the Author ribbon, go to the Condition Data section, and then click on Build Expressions. To access the match function, expand out the list of functions, and then expand out the list of string functions. Click and drag the match function to the right to see the list of arguments. The match function is a function within the expression builder that returns either a 1 or a 0, or in other words, true or false, depending on whether the data contains a specific pattern of characters. Here's a quick example. Let's call this new field example 1. Replace the string argument with the field industry. Note that the values of this field are illustrated on the bar chart here on the left. Replace the pattern argument with the string literal RE. Now, press evaluate. Let's see how that worked. A row with the industry as government does not contain the pattern RE and has a value of 0. A row that has the industry as retail matches the pattern and so has a value of 1. Note that the pattern is case sensitive. Thus, agriculture, although it has RE in it, does not exactly match our pattern. Additionally, the industry logging/recreation will also match, even though the RE is in the middle of the industry name. We can incorporate this into a conditional statement by the following. Try typing if, then has RE, else does not have RE. You can set the field name to example 2 and press evaluate. Thus, rather than simply returning a 0 or a 1, we can have two descriptive bins, has RE or does not have RE. The pattern argument also accepts regular expression syntax. We will cover a few of the most useful spatial characters, but you can read about it in our online help on the expression builder in more detail. Let's see a couple of them in action. Let's change this to example 3. This time, we will use the industry as before. And for the pattern, type in OR period ATION and press evaluate. The period acts as a wildcard character. In this example, information and transportation will match. Another useful character is the caret, which matches the beginning of the target sequence. For example, caret RE will match retail and real estate, but will not match recreation. Finally, the special character of the $sign matches the end of the target sequence. The sequence and $sign will find all the rows where the industry name ends with an N, not just ones that contain the letter N anywhere in the name. Note how transportation matches, but government does not. This concludes this tutorial on the match function. To learn more about other regular expression syntax or find additional resources, check out the rest of the Advisor Help Central page.